This is BPT theorem, that is basic proportionality theorem or Thales theorem. Statement is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle intersecting the other two sides, then it divides the two sides in the same ratio. Hence, what is the meaning of this statement? The meaning of the statement is like that if you have this triangle AB and C, and there is a line from any point D on this line AB. From point D, if a line DE is going through such that DE is parallel to BC, then E will divide AC and D will divide AB in the same ratio. This is the meaning of this theorem. Now how to prove it? Now given triangle ABC in which D is a point on AB and DE is a line drawn parallel to BC. Okay, so D is a point and D is a line drawn parallel to BC, intersecting AC at E point. Okay, intersecting AC at E point. Now to prove AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC, means AD upon DB equal to AE upon EC. Now we need simple construction. First of all, we will join D to C and B to E. And one more construction. From point E, we will draw a perpendicular to this side AB, that is EN. Okay. And from D, we draw another perpendicular to this side AC, that is DM. Using these two constructions, this is very easy proof is there now. Now proof is join this construction B to E and D to C, and also we draw DM perpendicular to AC and EN perpendicular to AB. Now proof area of triangle ADE upon area of triangle BDE. You know that area of triangle is half into base into height. So ADE, you see ADE. Here base, take base AD and perpendicular as EN. So half into AD into EN, and area of BDE will be, this is base BD, and for this BD, EN is the perpendicular because E is part of this triangle BDE. So through E, there is a perpendicular EN. So same height will be for this BDE triangle also. So half into BD into EN. Now EN cancel, half cancel, AD upon BD. So this is equation 1. Similarly, area of ADE upon area of CDE. ADE area. This time we will take AE as the base and DM as the perpendicular. So half into A into DM. And for CDE, CDE. Here base is CE and perpendicular is DM because D is the part of this triangle CDE. So DM is the perpendicular to this line. So height, it will be height for CDE triangle. So half into CE into DM equal to DM cancel, half cancel, AE upon EC, question 2. Now, as triangle BDE and triangle CD are between same parallels and having same base, therefore area of BDE and area of CD are the same. Means this BDE triangle and CDE triangle between the same parallels DE and BC and same base. This is D, common base for this triangle, common base for this triangle. So in this case, area becomes the same that you have already learned in previous classes. So this is equation 3. Now using equation 1, 2 and 3, you can say that AD upon BD is equal to A upon EC, because here AD are same but BD and CD are same by this logic. So in this way you have proved the theorem, basic proportionality theorem. So thank you.